Right, we are making bacon. It's very simple to do. We're doing it in the microwave. You need firstly a plate. We got the plate. Secondly, you need bacon. Fresh out of the supermarket. You can buy it from any good supermarket. And thirdly, we have paper towels. Now this is really easy. Anyone can do it at home. You start off by putting one of the paper towels there, okay, on the plate just like that. Put another paper towel just on top of it. Now what you want to do is sit the bacon on top of it. Lay it so it's all on the paper towel. Now you put this on there like that, and that is it. You are ready to go into the microwave. Here we are at the microwave. Now the general rule of thumb is for each slice you put in, you put it on the microwave for a minute. So we've got 3, so we're going to put it on for 3 minutes. And we wait. Delicious bacon on the way. And we're done. Oh, look at this. Delicious. Toby's going to try it. Is it crispy?
It's a bit dry.
Crunchy. Good boy. Get that recipe and more at novafm.com.au.
It's actually really good.
It is good. I told you it was good.
And not all of that crispy bacon. No, it's crispy.
There you go.